You know what's crazy? The most dangerous place in the universe might not be a black hole. It might actually be the places that are too clean, too quiet, where absolutely nothing exists. Take the Boötes Void, for example. It's not that there are no galaxies there, it's that none of them should be there. There's no gravity, no dark matter, not even the drag of time. Light itself gets cold, slow, and warped in there. So today, we are diving into the largest silent zone in the known universe, to see how it freezes time, repels matter, and leaves behind an unexplained cold spot. Maybe it's not empty at all. Maybe it's hiding a truth the universe doesn't want us to see. And this whole story, it starts back in 1977. That year, astronomer Robert Kirshner pointed his telescope toward the constellation Boötes, and what he saw blew his mind. It wasn't just dark. It was pure, absolute nothingness. No faint glow from far-off galaxies, no sparse star clusters, not even a trace of cosmic dust. Just deep, endless black, like even light got swallowed up. He'd accidentally stumbled onto something that shouldn't exist, not in any model of the universe we had. It didn't just break his expectations, it shook the foundations of cosmology itself. Because here's what we thought we knew: when you look deep into space, you should see galaxies everywhere, spread out evenly in every direction, like city lights seen from the sky. That's a core idea in cosmology. On a large enough scale, the universe is smooth. Matter is distributed evenly. Galaxies form a huge glowing web woven through spacetime. But the region Kirshner found, it didn't follow the script. It broke the rules. Defied common sense. Like the universe just turned off the lights in that one spot. Here's a way to picture it. If you shrunk the Milky Way down to a coin and tossed it into the void, you'd have to throw 999 more coins just to fill the space. This void stretches 330 million light-years across. Even light, racing at nearly 1 billion kilometers an hour, would take 330 million years to cross it. That's like finding a massive, totally empty parking lot right in the middle of Manhattan. Except this parking lot isn't just bigger than Manhattan, it's bigger than New York State, bigger than the whole continental US. This isn't some random empty patch, it's more like a place matter actively avoids. No surprise, this discovery sent shock waves through astronomy. How could a region this huge have almost nothing in it? Where did all the stuff that should have been there go? Was it never there to begin with? Or was it scrubbed away by some force we don't understand? Kirshner named it the Boötes Void, a place even the universe seems to avoid. Other scientists gave it a colder nickname, the Great Nothing, or the Supervoid. But the more they looked, the weirder it got. Optical telescopes, radio surveys, all confirmed it was real. And deeply unsettling. This wasn't just a gap between galaxies. Not a mere hole in the cosmic web. It was a real, structural void, a huge empty bubble in the universe's architecture. The Boötes Void challenges everything we thought we knew about how the universe formed and evolved. According to the Standard Model, after the Big Bang, tiny density fluctuations got amplified over time, eventually forming stars, galaxies, and clusters, building the universe we see. But the Boötes Void, it's like something actively cleaned out this zone. Made it weirdly, illogically empty. Questions piled up. What stopped thousands of galaxies from forming here? Was this place dead from the start? Or did some unknown mechanism wipe it clean? And when Kirshner tried mapping the edges of the void, he noticed something even stranger. This emptiness wasn't just random chaos. It had shape, direction, almost purpose. And deep at its center, a few isolated galaxies hung suspended, like lonely islands in a vast cosmic ocean. Eerily quiet. But these stranded galaxies revealed the void's deepest secret. Astronomers calculated that in a void this size, there should be at least 2,000 galaxies. But when they looked, they only found 8. Yeah, you heard that right, 8 galaxies, floating in a space meant for 2,000. It's like walking into a concert hall that seats 2,000 people, only to find just 8 people sitting far apart in a silent, dark room. That level of quiet makes you wonder if you are in the wrong universe. These 8 lonely galaxies earned a name, void galaxies. But what's truly mind-blowing is how they live. They break all the rules of how galaxies are supposed to behave. In normal regions, galaxies are social. They cluster, interact, merge, share gas and dust. They're like noisy neighbors in a busy cosmic city. But void galaxies, they're cosmic hermits, isolated beyond belief. The average distance between them, 50 million light-years. Compare that to our Milky Way and Andromeda, only 2 million light-years apart. That's like your next-door neighbor moving so far away, you'd need to take a train 50 times longer just to say hello. This extreme isolation changes how these galaxies evolve. Scientists found that void galaxies are usually small, dim, and underdeveloped. They are low in heavy elements. Their star formation rates are super slow. It's not that they don't want to shine, it's that there's nothing around to help them grow. They are like kids raised in silent rooms, living out their lives cut off from the world. There's a technical term for this, underdense galaxy region. But that dry language doesn't capture how strange this really is. These galaxies aren't just far apart. Something deeper is at work, a kind of emptiness that alters their very nature. Like a child raised in total isolation, their development is fundamentally different. According to math models, the chance of a low-density region, this large forming naturally in the universe, is less than 1 in a million. In other words, it is nearly impossible for a void this size to appear on its own through normal evolution. Even tiny density fluctuations from the early universe should have evened out over billions of years. Imagine flipping a coin 1 million times, and it lands on heads every single time. That's the kind of miracle we are talking about. But the Boötes Void is real. And it's openly challenging our core ideas of cosmic evolution. And it gets weirder. Those isolated void galaxies seem aware of the anomaly. Their behavior doesn't look random. It looks coordinated, like some unseen force carved this blank space into the universe. When scientists studied the positions of those 8 galaxies, the mystery leveled up. They aren't scattered randomly, they relined up in a near-perfect straight-line picture, an invisible cosmic tunnel, 300 million light-years long, cutting straight through the void and those 8 galaxies. They like glowing subway stops along this line, spaced evenly along some unseen track. Each one made of billions of stars, shining like lighthouses in the cosmic night. This isn't poetry, it's real. Astronomers call it a filament structure, a cosmic highway running right through the heart of nothingness. So here's the puzzle: in a void with no gravity, no mass concentrations, no cosmic scaffolding, how did this line form? In normal space, galaxies line up along dark matter structures. But in the Boötes Void, there's no dark matter skeleton, yet this galaxy tunnel exists. Even more stunning, the distances between these galaxies are almost perfectly even, around 40 million light-years apart. Like some invisible hand placed them exactly where they are. They are like 8 streetlights along a dark road, lonely but orderly, lighting a path toward the unknown. This structure suggests the void isn't truly empty. Something we can't see is at work. Dark matter. Some new kind of substance. One idea is that this tunnel is a cosmic fossil, a ribbon of dark matter left over from just after the Big Bang. In the first few billion years, the universe wasn't smooth. Some structures flickered into existence and faded away. These void galaxies might be sitting on the ghost of one of those early dark matter strands. As the universe expanded, most matter drifted away, leaving only this faint clue, frozen in time inside the void. And check this, the motion of these galaxies supports the idea. They aren't drifting aimlessly. They are sliding along the direction of the tunnel, all moving together at similar speeds, like they are being pulled by some unseen cosmic current. We still don't know what is causing it. Spectroscopy also shows these galaxies have far fewer heavy elements than normal galaxies the same age. That means they were born in a place starved of resources. Their growth has been slow and lonely, like early universe specimens trapped in time. This region acts like a giant cosmic capsule, preserving clues from billions of years ago. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and share it with your friends and family. Thanks a bunch.